We're going to review the top 5 best air fryers, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Cosori Air Fryer. Listed as an Amazon bestseller, it's no surprise that the Cosori fryer is our top pick. The model boasts a capacity of 5.8 quarts, with the ability to fit a 6-pound chicken and comfortably serve a family of 3 to 5 people. All pros and novices will find the interface very user-friendly. That said, the Cosori air fryer has a fingerprint-resistant LED digital touchscreen with 11 pre-programmed settings for different selections of meats, seafood, carbs, and dessert. Number 2. Philip Air Fryer XXL. Another great purchase, Philip Air Fryer XXL, is among the easiest to use and clean, making it our top pick runner-up. It handles much more than frying, with the capability to bake, grill, and roast your favorite foods, even outperforming the Cosori to produce crispy, tender fries as if deep-fried to perfection. Its measured capacity of 4 quarts fits 2 bags of frozen French fries or a 3-pound chicken. No preheat is needed, saving you time and allowing you to get cooking right away. Number 3. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Shaped like a mini oven, as the name suggests, the Cuisinart toaster oven doesn't have the typical shape of electric fryers. A plus that allows you to lay food flat in its broad, shallow basket, so more air passes through the food for exceptionally even browning and crisping without tossing or shaking the basket. According to Cuisinart, the model is perfect for families, holding up to 2 pounds of fries or 4 pounds of chicken. Number 4. Ninja Air Fryer. The price has fans excited to own the Ninja Air Fryer. But that's not all. It is very competitive in the category of taste and digital features. The crunch of its French fries didn't come close to an oil fryer, but breadcrumbed and battered chicken results are on par with that of recipes fried in a skillet. On the exterior are digital controls to dehydrate, reheat, and roast with a few other complicated programmings you'll master after a couple of uses. Number 5. Dash Compact Electric Air Fryer. From the onset, we loved the color. The Dash is available in a glossy aqua, white, black, or red exterior. Its small frame is sure to find a home on your tiny kitchen counter. All our prior picks mainly served family-sized portions, but this little cooker makes one-person servings. The model has half the capacity of most electric fryers. That's why it is the perfect gift and great for RVs, dorm rooms, and suitcases.